Today's title is A Great Birthday Present to Herself. Yamashita Miyu turned 24 on Saturday and on Sunday. She won the Women's British Open. What a great birthday present to herself. She is not a powerful hitter, but she is very accurate. After she took the lead on Friday, she kept ahead of the other players until the end. It was also a good tournament for two other Japanese players. Katsu Minami tied for second, and Takeda Ryo tied for fourth. Yamashita is only the second Japanese to win the Women's British Open. I still remember the first Japanese winner, Shinobu Hanako, because of her nickname, Smiling Cinderella. I wonder if Yamashita will get a nickname too.
There are two questions, please answer them. Question 1. Is Yamashita Miyu a powerful hitter? Answer. No, she isn't. She is not a powerful hitter, but she is very accurate. Question 2. How old is Yamashita Miyu? Answer. She is 24 years old. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.